Alright, this is for MP. He wanted to see how my trunk lock mechanism worked. He needs one for his Buick. Anyways, this is what it looks like on the outside. I don't know if you have the outside handle or not. But that's it right there. And let's see if I ain't got enough room to open it up. Hold on, I'm gonna have to pause. Alright, we're back again. I know I'm my own worst enemy with these cameras. But anyways, there's the latch. Most of the time I have enough room to open this thing when I'm got the car parked in here. Anyways, this is the latch mechanism. And that is how it works. Let me back up a little bit so you can see that a little better. When you pull the handle up, that's the up position. This is the down position. Let me shoot it from this side too so I can actually see it a little better from this side. I want to say that the 41 through 48 is the same latch, but I can't swear to that. You might have a little luck finding, you know, something that's not for 48. But anyways, that's how it works. This is sun's right in my eyes. I can't tell nothing. But anyways, this is basically what it looks like. That's in the shut position. That's in the open position. Alright, I'm gonna upload this on YouTube. Maybe this will help you out some. I don't know if it will or not, but hopefully it will. Alright. There you go. I hope that helps you out some there, MP. I'll go upload this thing and let you maybe that'll help you out some. Anyways, I try to respond to anybody who comments, so there you go. Bye, y'all.